Another very important question, a hot topic in debate or frequently debated topic is what we're going to see in problems and solutions. The next essay is going to be on city dwellers do not tend to develop close relationship with their neighbors. So this is a very frequently discussed topic. So let's see what is the problem now. What's the question that's been posted? Why is this so, and what can be done to improve this? So, city dwellers don't tend to develop close relationship with neighbors. What can be done? How can we work on this? How can this be improved? Let's begin with the first introductory paragraph. It is a serious concern. It is definitely true that urban people are not so keen on having close relationship with the neighbors. It is a serious concern, and however, I think not much can be done about this because the lifestyle has become like that. So I would just talk about. I would just say how serious it is and give a general intro about the city lifestyle. This will go in my first paragraph. In the next paragraph, what are the different situations? First is the work hours. Hectic work hours, 10 hours a day, 9 hours a day. So hectic work hours, extreme work hours is a reason that, and also the lifestyle that we choose to live in. People prefer to stay at homes and communicate less with the neighbors. So the lifestyle and the work hours are extreme. We have enough entertainment available. Enough entertainment for every urban family. See, those days, if you move on to rural families, there is not much entertainment. You'll have to come out of your house, talk to your neighbor, play with your friends. But in an urban family, entertainment levels are high. You have enough entertainment options. Leisure options are available, like watching TV, playing games on computers, PC games, or you always have the internet, surfing the internet. So these are enough entertainment which are in a higher level in the urban areas when compared to the rural areas. Next, because of the luxurious options available, we always go out to various recreation activities like going out for movies, parties, pubs. So recreations, we look out for recreations in a luxurious way. So that is also a reason. Next, another common issue is frequent transfer of location. Okay, they're transferred to different cities and companies. So when there's often, they get transferred, they are not able to make a good relationship. They don't have a good relationship with their neighbors. So these are all a reason. So this comes under second paragraph. What can we do? Okay, so why is this so and what can be done to improve? So I have answered why is it so. The next third paragraph I'm going to answer what can be done to improve this. Very few steps can be taken, is what I believe. So we should just try to increase interaction with neighbors or with social or community level. We should have more interaction with people around us. You can have any contest which is very common these days. When you look into big apartments or a group of apartments, they have various contests on and off just to bring people together and help them get to know each other. So increasing interaction, having participation, involvement. The primary purpose is just to bring people together for interaction, which will be fulfilled automatically. So all these things can come, is what I feel in paragraph 3. And in paragraph 4 we have, see, we are living in a trend which is more socio-cultural level, and not too much can be done to curb this problem, but you can bring about a change only when there is dramatic change in our lifestyle. Unless and until we are able to do this, we will not be able to improve this condition of maintaining close relationship with the neighbors. And this should completely be eliminated. It can be checked to some extent. So this is all that can be done. As I said, very few options are available as a solution for this issue. So quickly going through, city dwellers, they do not tend to develop close relationship with their neighbors. Why is this so, and what can be done to improve this? Yes, it is a serious concern. General introduction about how city dwellers they prefer to stay home instead of coming out and interacting with people. All these things can go in the first paragraph. The second paragraph, you can have the reasons. What are the reasons? Why is it so? Extreme work hours, lifestyle. People prefer to stay indoor and have their own level of comfort from which they would refuse to come out. Entertainment. We have enough entertainment opportunities in the urban life. TV, computers, cell phones, internet, right? So there are enough entertainment options so that you don't want to come out of your house and make new friends. You also have luxurious options, recreation clubs. We have, we can go for movies, parties. So enough luxurious options are available. So again, people do not want to come out of their house and make friends with people. They don't have time for all that. And one more reason is a frequent transfer. When professionals keep transferred on and off, it takes a lot of time for them to settle down, get to know the neighbor, and then make friends. And by the time you make friends and you have a cordial relationship, and then comes your next transfer. Okay, so that is also a reason. And then comes the third paragraph. You can have a lot of, intentionally we need to increase interaction. Out of the way, it is very hard to do it, but yes, that is all that can be done. That is the option. That is the only option that is left with us. We can have contests where you can motivate more of participation and involvement. You get to have, the main idea is just to have interaction, just to have a get-together so that you get to speak with each other, know each other. And apart from that, my conclusion says that unless and until we have a dramatic change in our lifestyle, this is definitely going to be a great thing to achieve, because in the current scenario, the current lifestyle that we have chosen to live in, we are so preoccupied with so many other things that we exactly don't have time for neighbors. Sometimes we don't have time for ourselves also. So unless and until we have great change, which is which happens in extreme cases, which is not that easy to do, this situation will definitely prolong in everybody's life.